But that is a massive, massive amount of bees. And it's a swarm, and we're gonna be catching them today. I probably should also be in a bee suit, but I'm not right now. So I'm gonna go get that on. All right, game plan. We have a swarm catcher box here. We got this fridge. I'm gonna put them right under there and try to knock them into it. That's the plan. This is gonna be a first for everybody. I don't think these bees have All right, here goes nothing.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay.
See how they're just marching in? They're landing on the outside, they're marching in. That means that we got the queen. This is officially a successfully gotten beehive.